Well, I started moving my beams so I can start building my bulkhead so I can get my elevation flat over there in the yard. I got to get that perfectly flat because I can't have a waterfall or pond or anything like that unless it's on a flat surface. So I started hauling the dirt over there. I got most all of that's done, but this over here is a little bit lower and I got to establish a grade. So I scraped all my wood mulch, most of it back. I got some more here. I got to shovel up by hand with a wheelbarrow. I didn't want to drive in this area because I got a septic tank right here. I started hauling these beams around here and got those ready to go. I just know to get a little more energy tomorrow and start lining them up. And I got to drill holes down in them and put the rebar through them to tie them in and drive them down into the ground so they don't move. And I got it leveled over here. I've been picking the wood and the trash and stuff out so I can have a burn pile and burn that. I started backfilling some of it too to keep it stable. Over here's a little high. I had to knife the ground down a little bit in order to get it, keep it on an even level plane. But once I get these laid down and get one more layer down, I think I might have to have one more set of beams high. So I need to have 3 high instead of 2 high. We'll see here tomorrow though, but so far it looks close. I need to pull a string line to find out because I got to go halfway up the yard in order to get level. So I'm at level right over there with the banana tree. So I got to go straight across and fill all of that in over there with the dirt. So still got a lot of work to do, but it's coming along. I got to find some more beams anyways. I got to have at least 6 to make up the corner here because this is a lot higher than that, and this is where the plant beds are all going to be. So this will all be separated from that. There'll be some type of fence. I haven't figured out yet whether I'm going to make bamboo fence or traditional white painted picket fence or lattice or what. I just can't make up my mind. I got to keep looking at thousands of other pictures and stuff and see what things look like and make that up and figure it out in advance. This banana tree that I bought 2 months and 2 days ago has tripled its size, and his leaves are still unfurling. This leaf here this morning was just a little narrow whip, and it's already unwrapping, and there's another one inside of that, and then there's another one inside of that. So this thing loves this composted cow manure. I got some pups coming up down there, so I'll let those get a couple feet tall. This is a pup right here, because you know banana trees, if you're not familiar with them, they grow a set of bananas on them, and then after they bear fruit, they die. So it's a sad thing about it, but they are beautiful. I like them. I'm enjoying them a lot. I'm going to plant those little pups in these other ones here until I get the bulkhead set and get the topsoil in there that I want, and then I'll plant those and they'll have a permanent home. And I'm just going to make a whole wall of nothing but banana trees. That way they can all propagate right there together and it'll be easy to keep up with. So I just thought I'd tell you this is what I'm doing for my Saturday. It's sweltering hot out here, but we're expecting a thunderstorm. There's one coming in right there now, coming in from the west, and got a bunch of hit and miss thunderstorms and showers coming. So, and then later on tonight, I suspect we're going to get whacked because I looked over in West Virginia and Kentucky, and there's a big, huge thunderstorm bank over there. And once they come over the mountains, they'll probably pick up heat from the slope coming up from this area here and get more intensified. So we're probably going to have some bad storms tonight. So I got to go out here and cut the water off. I've been watering tomatoes and peppers. So I got to go back here and cut this water off so I don't waste it. It took 125 gallons to water everything today, because I've started watering other rows now that I'm getting ready to plant stuff for the fall crop. So I'm adding moisture to those and get ready so I can start germinating seeds and all. So I hope y'all having the rest of the evening and weekend all planned and have a nice night. Talk to you later. Bye.